Hi folks, and welcome to another funny Landaux show. This is in regards to another Angry Grandpa episode where he took his patented claw hammer or pry bar and went berserk on the dryer. And when I first saw the holes in the dryer, you know when you see something, an image, a sound goes right through your head. Now Michael explains to us what his dad did. He flipped out. He took it. If you look up Angry Grandpa finishing off dryer, you know, he hit it and he left. Well, the first thing that went through my mind is he was trying to impersonate Woody Woodpecker. And I thought of the episode the episode if y'all have seen Woody Woodpecker before, the older ones. It's when Buzz the Buzzard, he put Buzz the Buzzard under hypnosis. And the first thing that went through my head is when Buzz the Buzzard picked away at the steel beam, like this. And that sound went through my head when I saw these holes. And I figured Grandpa went, oh, 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 oh. Hey, let's listen again. Let's again. Here. All right, now, you guys, you know. Oh, come on. No. Come on, play it again. Play it again. Wait. All right, if you go up to 4.
But Angry Grandpa has some sort of flip out while I was asleep.
Okay, well, anyway, that's what Michael
now
did.
Out here, and it looks even more beat up than it was before. So
he was impersonating Woody Woodpecker. But anyway, that's what went through my mind when I first saw it. But if it doesn't lag on you guys, just play Woody Woodpecker hypnotic hick and play that at the same time and see if that, you know,
so I'm gonna
as
go
crazy as it sounds, that's what went through my head. Angry Grandpa trying to impersonate Woody Woodpecker like Buzz Buzzard did. Till next time.